Hey Nash, what should we make today?
Make something quick. I'm starving and I'm going to need fuel for my zoomies later. How about ginger honey glazed chicken?
All right, let's make some ginger honey glazed chicken. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen. Are you looking for something you can make in 15 minutes or less that's delicious? We got you covered. Let's make some ginger garlic honey glazed chicken on rice. Let's do it in 15 minutes. And without further ado, let's go. First things first, let's make our glaze / sauce, I guess. In a small bowl, let's take a little bit of soy sauce, minced or finely chopped garlic or garlic paste, some finely chopped or minced ginger or ginger paste, a little bit of honey, some rice vinegar, some mirin, and some toasted sesame oil. Now we mix this together until it's all nicely combined. Then we take this, set it aside. Now we got our chicken thighs. Just gonna season these guys real quick with some salt, pepper, garlic, our good old SPG. Once your chicken's seasoned, we want to just take this chicken, put it in a little cornstarch dredge. In a hot cast iron pan, let's put some avocado oil, or any neutral oil will do. Then we put down our chicken. And we cook for 4 minutes aside. Then we flip and cook for 4 minutes on the other side. Then we pull that chicken, but leave the heat on. Then we pour in our sauce. Once we deglaze our pan, turn your heat to low, and let's put that chicken back in. Flip your chicken a few times, and we just go until the chicken is cooked through, and both sides are nicely glazed. But these are all there, so let's pull them. Now we're going to take our chicken and we're going to slice it. So then we plate that chicken on top of a bed of rice, and then do a little bit of sliced scallions here, little green onions, you know the thing. And then a little bit of sesame seeds. All right, time for a bite. Cheers. Whoa, just spilling everywhere. Oh man, wow. The depth of flavor on this is amazing. It's so good. And literally, you can do this in 15 minutes. I know a lot of us are, we're strapped for time, and you want to make something good for you and your spouse, for you and your kids, for you and your spouse and kids, your family, whatever. You and your dog. It's so uncomfortable. My recipes are all over the place, I'll be honest, but I know that something quick that's good and healthy and whatnot is important. So I want to do more of these. I totally understand where you might be coming from if you're like, hey, just like if I had a good recipe for something or just, a handful of recipes in my arsenal where I could make something good, fairly healthy in like 15, 20, 25 minutes, that would be awesome. So that's what I'm trying to do. So this one's really good. I highly recommend making it. It's just a really good chicken on top of some rice. It's got that, kind of sweet, a little bit savory. You got your garlic and your ginger. You got that little umami flavor from some of those components, but it's just really good. So that being said, let's see what Nash thinks. Nash? Oh, there you go. Oh, hey, buddy. Look at that. All right. Well, hey, check this out. Look at this. This is our 15-minute ginger garlic glazed chicken. Let's see what you think. Check it out. And this is what we call a spoiled-ass dog devouring some delicious food. Not picky about this one, are you, bud? So there you have it, folks. Nash approves. I approve. It's delicious. Go make this. Anyways, that being said, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you could take a second, go like and subscribe. And if you want notifications for whenever we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want Nash and I to taste, drop that in the comments. If it's a realistic suggestion, we will absolutely make it. All of that being said, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now. Until next time, thanks. Peace.